everyone, Cadams Tech here. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss how to get a job as a junior developer in 2025. But first, remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel with anyone that you know is interested in learning development. Let's go on and get into it. Okay, so the very first thing that you should do, and I mean this, get on it ASAP, is in your community, in your city, in your state, right? Look for developer-related Slack and Discord groups. I feel like every state has 1 to 2 of these, and it's very, very beneficial. So do a search, Google, open Google. If you live in Texas, if you live in Colorado, if you live in Florida, Google Florida Software Developers Slack, or Colorado Software Developers Slack, or Texas Software Developers Slack. See what pops up. See how many members are a part of this community. Join both the Slack and the Discord and introduce yourself. Introduce yourself in the channel. Say, it might be the general channel. Sometimes they'll display like the rules of what you should post or whatever. But in the general channel, sometimes there's introductions channel. Go ahead and put, hello, my name is so-and-so. I am a junior software engineer. I know this tech stack, and I'm currently open and looking for work, or I'm currently looking to network, things of that nature. Stick to spending a decent amount of time in these groups if you can. Try and throughout the days and maybe the weeks, and just stick to this group. Stick to this group. It's a community. So they have various channels within these Slack and Discord groups. They have channels that you can post funny pictures. You can talk about code or specific tech in some of these channels. You can find mentors. You can reach out and ask for help. You can give help. You can, and this is an important one, there is typically a hiring or a hiring looking channel, right? Or a jobs channel. Join this channel, see what's going on. Sometimes people will post jobs for junior software engineers. I literally just saw one the other day where in my area posted. And this gives you an opportunity to directly reach out to those people that posted. You can reach out to them and say, hey, my name is blah, blah, blah. I'm a junior software engineer. I know this tech stack, and I saw the role that you posted. And I feel like I would be a really good fit, right? Talk to them. This is a way for you to have a direct conversation with these people. Show them your personality. Show them your eagerness. Show them that you're hardworking. But don't overdo it. So there's a right balance. Don't be too pushy with it. Don't be over the top. Like, control yourself. You might feel excited that someone posted something and you get to reach out to them, but control yourself a little. Post what you have to post to them and wait it out. Wait for the reply. But aside from that, even more importantly, is having an opportunity to show your skills to the group. Like, post some articles, post some code that you've written, a little bit of code snippets. Post interesting things that you learn in different channels. Trying to have some engagement going on. Try and talk to all of these different people that are in your group. There's several different types of people in these groups. There's people that are hiring. There's people that are fellow developers. There's people that are engineering managers. There's people that are CEOs. There's people that are starting their own companies. And there's so much to it other than just trying to use it for a job. But I really do feel it is great for that purpose. And as a junior software engineer, you need to be, in these times, right now it's November 2024. In these times, you kind of have to tooth and claw your way up to the top, basically, so to speak. Just blindly applying to positions doesn't really seem entirely productive. It's worth doing because I feel like it's pretty quick to just throw your resume onto, apply somewhere, apply on Indeed or apply on some site that you see and just pop your resume in. But what I'm saying with that is it's almost like fishing in a sewer. Based on my experience, I know other people have had a lot of luck with it, but just applying to some random job that hundreds of people apply to, and they have no association as to who you are. They have no idea as to who you are, right? They don't know you. So all they can go off of is based off your resume. So that being said, yes, still blindly apply to positions that interest you. And when I say blindly, I mean that they're the ones that are blind, because you're applying, you know what you're getting, you know what you're applying for, but they don't know who you are. They don't know, they'd much rather hire someone that a current employee knows than someone they don't know. So Discord, Slack, out of the way. In addition to this, go to meetup.com, look for any types of meetups in your area. If you can't attend them physically in person, I highly recommend attending them physically in person, because this can be a little more engaging sometimes. But if you can't, attend via video, right? Tune in and form connections the same way. Talk to people. It's good. The more you network, this is all about networking. If you want to land a job as a junior software engineer, networking is going to be your biggest thing. So take these tips to heart. Join up for your local developer Slack/Discord and attend meetups, preferably in person. If not, at least you're attending them. That is a huge thing, huge win, right? And maybe even consider hosting a meetup of your own, because if you host a meetup of your own, that gives you more control. You can actually create a scenario, create an atmosphere where people are coming to you, right? Developers of all skill levels are coming to you, and you're the one running the meetup. Yeah, take that into your hands. That's a lot of power that you could have there as a junior, and that you could utilize. You need to be a part of the community. Community is big. As a developer, software engineer, community is really big. I'm not kidding. So if you do this stuff that I just told you, you're going to accelerate your path to landing a job as a junior software engineer. No doubt in my mind, I guarantee you. All right, circling back. Slack and Discord, I explained that to you. Get in there every single day. Talk to people. Make them laugh. Make them cry. Make them feel every single emotion, because this should be your community. This should be like a family to you. So when I say make them cry, don't really make them cry, but I'm just saying, like, don't be scared to form some connections and get some engagement going, so that way people know who you are. It's important, because these people that you're also speaking to, that you're forming connections with, they may reach out to you and say, hey, I think you'll be a good fit for this position. Hey, this role just opened up at my company. And they may come to you directly just because they know you, just because you're the friend now, So it's great to have that. And in the future, maybe they'll do that for you, and then you'll land a job out of it. But maybe in the future, maybe they'll be in a position where they need a job, and then you'll find yourself being able to help them. It comes full circle sometimes. It's pretty cool how that works. So yeah, if you follow those tips and you continue also at the same time, hey, let me talk into community Slack. Let me talk in the Slack. Let me build something. Let me learn and polish my skills. Let me refine my skills. Let me advance my skills. Let me learn new technologies. Let me get deeper with the current technologies that I have. These are all important things that you need to do in order to land a job as a junior software engineer. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel with anyone that you know is interested in development. I have a lot of new content coming out for you all soon. I'm excited for it. So see you later.